Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband. To do it, simply press on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. And in settings, scroll down, find the option called brightness and select it. And here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons, like this. Adjust the brightness to your liking and then you can swipe right on the screen to go back, like that. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.